So guys, we got a new package in the lab. It has some items, I will show them to you. First of all, a new instrument for testing capacitors. I needed something better than the one I have. And a proper instrument is accompanied always by the calibration report. Here is the calibration report of this instrument. Manufacturer Sourcetronic. It is an LCR meter. Model ST2832. Passed at calibration item. The conclusion is that it passed. Okay, I guess that is good. It says the standards listed are traceable to the SI units of national and international reference standards. Where are the standards listed? I don't see any standards here. Just a white page. Okay. This is the first instrument. I will use it for the capacitor testing that I do. I've ordered everything by LSOP. Guys, they don't give me any money or that shit to say their name. They're just very, very good at their job. And it's among the very few shops, online shops, that I really enjoy getting stuff. When I email them, they reply ASAP. They are fast in shipping and they have very good prices. So yeah, why not say good work for some shops that actually do good work. This is a tiny spectrum analyzer. Usually spectrum analyzers are very, very expensive and large, but this is an inexpensive and very small spectrum analyzer. Why I bought this? We were in the US. We wanted to do some tours, hunting tours, haunted houses and stuff like that. I have an EMF reader for this stuff, but I didn't bring it with me. So I was searching on the net what to buy there while we were in the US, and I found that. But eventually I bought it here in Cyprus. Anyway, next trip we will go, I will get this spectrum analyzer with me. You can find any signal with that, within a specified range, of course. So, Tiny SA. And the third, we have already one, and I thought to buy another one for redundancy. Power Rex battery charger. It is very important to have a proper battery charging device, a good one. With the previous chargers that we had, batteries got very hot, and if you leave that unattended, it is a fire hazard. So it is better to have a proper battery charger device like this one. Yeah, it's not that large. And here it is.